So we would like to give recognition because when she started, beginner siya. But every exam, every assignment, nanonotice talaga ng team, not only us, but yung nag-check, yung mga checkers namin. And also the exams. I don't want to say perfect eh.
Ayun, ikaw na sir, iyak na lang ako yung eyelashes ko na naman.
Na perfect yung exam.
Wow,
Also, yung mga designs niya are really good for a first-time user of computer. So we would like to, we give her an award because she inspired us. Me and Miss Julian. It inspires us to do better. Kasi yung mga ginagawa niyo, pagka nakikita namin ayaw uwi kasi tatapusin talaga. So, tatapusin ko talaga ito kahit anong mangyari. Diba? Minsan, 8 o'clock na tayo. Akala nyo nag-okray lang kami, but actually na-inspire kami na ganun kayo lumakan. So, Miss Ganayan inspired us, so we would like to give recognition to her.
Sir, baka meron siyang sabihin.
Thank you.
Sorry, but so for thinking of job, sir, Franz, and everyone. Sorry.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
Also thinking of job, I learned a lot, and gagamitin ko talaga itong natutunan ko sa in the future, and nagamit ko siya actually na. Nagamit ko na siya, and thank you so much for recognizing ang job and sir sa mga pinaghirapan namin, naghihirap, nag-effort, nagpuyat, but sobrang thank you, and I-recognize you among all.
Okay. Sir, paki-translate, sir, paki-translate.
Effie, I will translate.
Mary Caraballo. Congratulations! And congratulations, Maiden.